All right, guys, welcome back to the Tutor Learning Center. This is JD Tutor, and I'm here to teach you more about sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cotangent, and so forth. All right, guys, so let's get to this review quiz. We've been working on this review quiz for a little while now, a few days. Let's get to it. Find the exact value of each of the following remaining trigonometric functions of theta. Okay, the degree, degree and the angle. So tan equals -3/4, comma, cosine theta is less than 0. All right, so here's what we have going on here. Let's see, get my pencil. All right, so remember we're drawing our special right triangle. All right. And you have to determine, ultimately, in a lot of cases like these, you have to determine what quadrant they're in. But we're just going to get right to the meat and potatoes of the thing. So we'll say this is A. On this one, it doesn't look like you have to specify what quadrant it's going to go in. So we're just going to do it like this. All right, so -3/4. All right, so -3/4. We're gonna just kind of skip this for now, okay? But we're gonna focus on this because these are where these answers are gonna come from. All right, so -3/4. We're gonna say 3. We're gonna say, I'm gonna put a negative right there. And 5. How did we get this 5? All right, because we have the 3 and the 4. So this 5 is a big old question mark right here, right? All right, so how we get them is the Pythagorean theorem. So c squared equals, that's the hypotenuse. So that's your c. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. All right, and c squared equals, let's fill everything in. All right, so looks like A is going to be, we'll say A is going to be -4 squared plus 3 squared. Okay, c squared is going to be 16 because a negative and a negative is a positive. So, and 3 times 3 is 9. 3 squared is 9. So we're going to do c squared plus 25. We're going to get rid of the squared on this side, and we're going to add it to the right side for the 25. And the perfect square root of 25, c equals 5. All right, guys, now we can start. All right, let's start over here on the left-hand side. Since we did the video yesterday of this, so it shouldn't take us very long to do. So we're going to say the formula for sine is going to be AB over AC. AB over AC. All right, and come right to here. AB, which is 3, over AC, your hypotenuse, right there, is 5. And does that match our answer? Yes. All right, let's look at the other one. Cosine with the theta, BC. Oops, that's a BC, guys. AC over AC. So BC over AC. So BC is -4. Bring that -4 over, okay? And then we'll say 4 And then AC is 5. All right, does that match, guys? Yes, it does. All right, we're looking at secant. So we're looking at AC over BC. All right, and let's, AC is 5. Let's bring over that negative. And BC is -4. Okay, does that match our answer? Yes and yes. All right, so cosecant CSC with your theta mark is going to be AC over AB. All right, AC is 5. And AB is 3. All right, does that match? Yes, it does. All right, last one, guys. That's going to be cotangent, your COT with your theta mark. And that is going to be BC. BC, that's -4. So, that's BC over AB, guys. BC over AB equals, all right, BC is -4 over AB, which is 3. All right, and check. All right, guys, that's it. See you on the next video.